Specialization in Anterior Segment and Contact Lenses. Dear students, welcome to the Ocular Therapeutics module of the Specialization in Anterior Segment and Contact Lenses. This is a course designed from the profile of the optometrist as an agent of primary care of visual and ocular health, through which suitable therapeutic solutions are proposed to ocular conditions of the anterior segment of the eye. This is achieved by understanding the pharmacological basis and the interaction of drugs with ocular receptors to achieve effective therapeutic action. We will also cover aspects such as the selection of the ophthalmic pharmacological agent and its pharmaceutical form, in addition to proposing a pertinent therapeutic conduct according to the clinical case. The purpose of this module is for students to propose the use of ophthalmic pharmacological agents in the prevention, treatment, or diagnosis of alterations of the anterior segment of the eye, based on the interpretation of the basic concepts of ocular pharmacology. For the development of this module, some key questions are asked that seek to provide the student with the fundamental elements to define a pertinent and effective therapeutic approach. How is the physiology of ocular structures involved in ocular pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics? What are ocular biopharmaceuticals? What kind of dosage forms are available in ocular pharmacotherapy? How to select the ideal pharmacological agent and its dosage form? What are the pharmacological agents used in pathologies of the anterior segment of the eye? What aspects should be considered when prescribing ophthalmic pharmacological agents for anterior segment disorders? This module is structured in 3 training sections. First, Fundamentals of Pharmacology. The goal is to identify the basic principles of ocular pharmacology in order to interpret the factors involved in the interaction between the tissues of the anterior segment of the eye and pharmacological agents. Second, Pharmaceutical Forms. The purpose of this section is to identify the pharmaceutical forms used at ocular level in order to analyze their properties and establish their usefulness according to the ocular pathology present. Third, Ophthalmic pharmacological agents. This last section aims for the student to identify and interpret the mechanism of action of the different groups of drugs used in ocular pharmacotherapy in order to propose appropriate treatment schemes. Throughout this training process, you will have the valuable support of the teacher from the virtual classroom, where you will find pedagogical guidelines, educational resources, and evaluation activities to enrich your learning. Remember to always review the learning path, which contains the guidelines to follow and the necessary tools to develop your competencies. If you have any questions, remember that you can always access the forum and the internal messaging system of the course.
Universidad Santo Tomás, institución vigilada por el Ministerio de Educación Nacional.